Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a really fun video. Hope you subscribe and drop a like if you can, thanks. We're going to be shooting this Nerf gun, we're going to be shooting bullets at random people who just happen to pass by. And then I'm just going to leg it. Josh is going to be hiding somewhere with the camera and so we just wait for someone to come.
Right, I'm going to go hide.
Okay, Josh, just
Wait, where do you want me to go hide?
Make sure you get shot on me.
I'll go over there, yeah?
Okay, make sure you can.
Alright, let's go.
On the bench. We're getting people on the bench.
People on the bench. Right. Okay, not yet. And by the way, guys, I'm sorry for any mumbles or bad quality videos because it's on phone. Right. So, go on. He's actually doing it. This was just a dare, but. I think he's got caught. Oh, where's he going? Let's try and get this. Did you get it?
I couldn't get your bullet. I shot at them teenagers because that woman said she'd shoot a real gun at me if I shot her. So I shot them teenagers. You see?
Go get the bullet.
They're probably going to eat it or something.
Have they picked it up?
No, if I go over there, they'll beat the hell out of me.
No, go where you shot